cookies or cake, cats or dogs, Netflix or YouTube, sunrise or sunset. If you have problem deciding between these things, this is the perfect talk for you. And even if you don't, it is important to know and understand the concept of overthinking, as we all do it sometimes. Now, when you think of the word overthinking, the most obvious question that comes to one's mind is, what is overthinking? Overthinking is simply what its name suggests. It is going over the same thought again and again, analyzing the simplest of situations until all sense of proportion has gone. The overthinking brain cannot translate these thoughts into actions or positive outcomes, so therefore creates a feeling of stress and anxiety. The second question that comes to one's mind is, why would anyone overthink? As one is to find the perfect answer among so many options. Overthinking also has its plus points, like having an eye for detail, thus being a perfectionist. It also keeps you from making impulsive decisions that we may regret later. It is impossible for anyone not to have thoughts, as we all are human. We have good thoughts and bad ones. According to me, we should acknowledge all the thoughts that come to us, but should also let go of the ones that cause negativity and make us overthink. Easier said than done, but with constant practice can be achieved. In my experience, the way that has helped me stop overthinking is to put all the thoughts which keep coming to your mind again and again in a box. Select one day in a month to read and reflect on these thoughts. You will realize that some of these had no meaning and you should have just let them pass. The third and the most important question is, how does overthinking stop you from thriving for more? Overthinking stops you from thriving for more, as when you overthink about a particular thing, you are thinking about it again and again. This can make you very confused and can make you feel like that you aren't capable of making a decision, as there are so many options to choose from, and thus stop you from making one. An example would be, one day of the lockdown, I had decided to make a batch of French eclairs. So I went on Google and found a recipe. While I was reading that recipe, I started overthinking to myself, what if I burn it? What if it's undercooked? Ugh! After a while of thinking about this, I had lost all my self-confidence. I wanted to make it, but the fear of failure had crept in. Now, I'm not here to overthink about overthinking. Thoughts are powerful. Your thoughts are your reality. As a great person once said, whatever you hold in your mind on a constant basis is exactly what you will experience in life. Thank you.